Stop buying frozen curly fries. Make them better at home. At home.
Russet equals best for spirals.
Keep coming straight back. Easy now, slow down. And stop, you're good. Welcome to VT process. As you can see, these potatoes are fresh. We ensure only the highest quality before they enter the processing line.
Listen to the water jets, ensuring the potatoes are perfectly clean, removing the very last traces of soil. The optical sorter meticulously scans every potato. We ensure quality before loading onto our VT trucks.
These potatoes look excellent. Keep the line moving steadily toward the peeling station.
The steam process makes the skin just fall away like this. It's perfectly cooked and ready for the next step.
The friction from these rollers gently removes the skin, leaving the potato perfectly smooth for the next stage of processing.
This flume system ensures the potatoes are clean and moved efficiently to the next stage, the slicing area. This cross-section highlights the turbulence. We verified that the flow rate maintains the integrity of the potatoes as they move toward the sorting area.
Keep skin for extra crisp. Listen to the suction lock. And look how sharp this blade is.
Soaking for 30 minutes removes the starch, which makes them much crispier.
We have reached the target temperature, 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Gently combining the spices now: paprika, garlic, salt, pepper, and the cornstarch.
Pallet confirmed. Location updated.
Clear on the left. Okay, lowering it down now. Looks secure. All locked up, ready to go.
Yeah, Disp, I am backed into door 12. Waiting for the green light to drop the trailer.
Once the loading process is complete, the driver performs the final safety checks before exiting the main gate and heading to the distribution center.
Continue on I-5 North. In a quarter mile, take exit 25. Arriving at Distribution Center A.
Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Subscribe and share my YouTube video.